Hey, welcome to the next video of LinkedIn and freelance series. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of building your freelance profile. Even though I talked briefly about putting images, videos, textual text post on your LinkedIn profile, but in this video, I'm going to explain why it is so important to build your profile nicely with whatever you do. The reason why you should be populating your LinkedIn timeline is because when you use relevant hashtags in each of your posts, and if someone ends up finding your post and the eyeballs get on your videos, on your pictures, and then they navigate to your profile, if the profile does not reflect your services, at the end of the day you are potentially losing a long-term client who could do business with you. But if you have something to show them, if you tell them what you do, if you explain through your videos or through your pictures or your textual post about your expertise, there's a good chance people will not only send you private message, but they'll start commenting on your post. So your posts on your LinkedIn have to be engaging enough. They should be educating, they should be meaningful, they should be serving a purpose, so that people are not only inclined to follow you on the profile, that's building your followership and increasing your popularity on the platform, but also if they've got a business query, they should be able to contact you. And therefore, the importance of building your LinkedIn profile nicely. I hope this makes sense.